Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kyle Spickler and I'm going to be taking you guys on an adventure. Over the past 3 years, I've traveled to 22 different countries and am eager to add more to the list. I have a deep passion for traveling and saying yes to any of the crazy, spontaneous opportunities that are bound to occur along the way. I started out my year by spontaneously moving to Curacao, a Caribbean island off the coast of Venezuela, for a couple months. Then booked last-minute flights to Hawaii on the craziest first date story you'll ever hear, and finished off the summer with a family vacation out in Cozumel. Now, I'm taking you guys along for the next adventure. Over the next few months, I'll be backpacking around Europe, creating weekly travel videos, telling more crazy stories just like this as they happen. Where are we going? When? I'm glad you asked. I'll be starting off this trip with a one-way business class flight into Amsterdam on August 10th. I plan on spending 2 to 4 weeks in the Netherlands and then moving on to an undetermined European city. If there's somewhere you want me to check out, definitely let me know down in the comments. Maybe we'll even do a poll, and whichever city has the most interest, we'll book a spontaneous last-minute ticket there and create a video about it. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join me on this crazy adventure.